Here, cow.
E-I-E-I-O. Had mine, not a cow. Don't stay a cow.
A cow who?
Moo. Vamos.
Thank you, Bunny.
You eat it.
Okay. Sounding good, bud.
I'm done.
You're all done?
I take my big off
You want to take your bib off?
for toys. No for it's broken.
What's broken?
Our toy box is broken.
Yeah, our toy box is broken.
And the fishes.
Daddy's got to fix it. It sort of imploded, didn't it?
That fishes.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Mhm.
and get a picture.
Mhm.
Me.
He is trying to take a picture of you. You know why? Why are you biting me? Because he loves you. He wants to remember how beautiful you are.
No.
You're not beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are. What about all that beautiful curly hair? Yeah.
And you're sleepy.
You are sleepy.
I need to go to bed.
You need to go to bed.
Who's cute?
I should. My bed. My coat.
What's on your bed?
The ocean, the bed.
That's your ocean bed? What's on it?
Or dolphin and fish. No fishes.
And what's this right here?
A
And
turtle.
how about that right there?
An octopus.
Octopus. How many legs does an octopus have?
One. One, 2, 3, 4 days.
Good guess. Good
Oh,
count.
no.
Okay.
Oh, wah, 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 wah. Wah, wah, wah. So sleepy. No, Mommy.
I'm gonna get you a wipey, okay? You'll be all done. Like
Mommy.
hit her head or something.
No.
Mommy.
Siesta. Oh, I don't think Daddy's going to school tomorrow. You want to stay home?